Welcome to our channel. If you want to invest in US Treasury bills, follow these step-by-step instructions to understand these short-term government securities offering safety and competitive returns. Step 1. Learn what Treasury bills are. These short-term government securities mature in 1 year or less, are backed by the full faith of the US government, and are considered among the safest investments available. Step 2. Decide between different maturity periods, including 4-week, 8-week, 13-week, 26-week, and 52-week Treasury bills. Longer maturities typically offer slightly higher yields. Step 3. Open an account directly with Treasury Direct, the government's system for purchasing Treasury securities. This allows you to buy directly without fees or commissions charged by brokers. Step 4. Alternatively, purchase Treasury bills through your brokerage account, which may offer more convenience and easier integration with your other investments, though some brokers charge small fees. Step 5. Understand that Treasury bills are sold at a discount to face value and mature at full value. The difference between purchase price and maturity value represents your return. Step 6. Consider creating a Treasury bill ladder by purchasing bills with staggered maturity dates. This strategy provides regular access to funds while maximizing yields across different time periods. Step 7. Remember that Treasury bill interest is exempt from state and local taxes, though subject to federal income tax. Factor this tax treatment into your overall investment and financial planning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.